You're going to the doctor for your annual checkup. Things seem to be going well. There shouldn't be a hiccup. You've been eating healthy and exercise every day. Hiking, biking, or tennis, you're always ready to play. They drew some blood to be viewed by a lab, checked your vitals. It's always a drag. The doctor looks confused and says very slow, "You seem to be clogged. I thought you should know." It certainly can't be me. I do everything right. I read labels, avoid fast food, and don't eat late at night. What do you consume often that could impact your mind? Just a daily dose of politics. It helps me unwind. Do you want to live well and have time to create? Well, of course I do. It's what makes life great. My prescription is simple, and you can start today. Wake up each morning, and here's what you'll say. I'm grateful to be alive, and I have gifts to share, but I can't fully express them when I'm injecting despair. From now on, I'll focus on the things I can control and not by the shared dialogue that's rotting my soul. His friends and family are glad he's back on track as he's completely reversed his political plaque.